Hey, I had a homeowner ask me recently, why should I do business with Climate Masters? My response to that, there are 400 HVAC contractors in Mobile and Baldwin County that you can choose from. We've been in business for 54 years. Is that a reason to do business with us? Maybe it is. It shows longevity. We've been here for our customers. We continue to be here for our customers. But I think one of the main reasons is our commitment to quality. The motto of our company from the inception 54 years ago is the quality of our work forecasts our future. And that's something that we understand throughout the company. It's not just words to us, it's a culture within the company. All of the service technicians and installation mechanics, they hear this. They see it written on the walls. They see it written in the warehouse, and they hear us talk about quality constantly. That's a good reason to choose Climate Masters over another company. It does matter to us. We do believe that the quality of our work does forecast our future. Give us a chance and you will not be disappointed. Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.